The moment every developer must conquer, and the one thing you must do to conquer it. So these are some of the more important messages that I write, and this comes from a YouTube comment I got from Sir Joelsuf. So he said, I feel like I'm not learning enough and not doing enough. It's been pretty overwhelming. I wanted to replace a full-time job with freelancing, but it's not working out. Working full-time wasn't either, and I was getting nowhere and wasted 8 years of my life at a really bad job. I guess I'm at a crossroads. Now, I believe that this happens to every developer, at least every developer I know and talk to anyway. There's that moment when things aren't going how you imagined, and you're starting to doubt if you're cut out for this coding thing. You begin to wonder if you're smart enough to actually do this, and you get that sick feeling sort of stabbing you in your gut. And you think to yourself, I put so much time and energy to this. If I give up, it'll just be a waste, but I'm not getting anywhere. And the truth is, that's when you know that you're ready, because it's not until you reach this point that you're fully ready to put your ego aside, to forget everything that you think you know, and stop trying to be right above everything else, and actually listen and do and be willing to try things that you've previously written off or that don't immediately sound like they're going to work to you. And also be willing to work harder than you ever have before and realize it's not all about intelligence, that hard work is as much a part of this as anything else. Now, this is the moment when successful developers are made, and they're made by doing one single thing. Keep moving forward. Persist. And if you can find a way to do that, then I'm confident this will be your turning point. And if not, then you'll just be another failed wannabe developer. So you have to make your choice if come hell or high water, you're going to persist and keep moving forward even though it feels incredibly hard to do. Now, if you do decide to persist, then again, that's where I come in. I can help. I built my entire training curriculum for this moment, and I purposefully put it on Skillshare. I made that decision a while back to purposefully put it on Skillshare so that I can give you the 2-month free trial that they offer to make it easy in this moment for you to say yes. So you don't have to actually risk anything, and you can still go for it and commit and persist without having this huge risk that you have to take. So it is meant for this moment. All you got to do is say F it and go for it. And if you're willing to do that, then I'll be waiting. The link, if you're ready, is johnmorrisonline.com/Skillshare. All right, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.